Dumpster rental, Beavercreek, Ohio. When it comes to dumpster rental in Beavercreek, Ohio, Anna's Dumpster Rental is your top choice for reliable, affordable, and efficient waste management solutions. Whether you're cleaning out your garage, preparing for a move, or handling a major home renovation project, we have the perfect dumpster to meet your needs. Our dumpster rentals are designed to make waste disposal as simple as possible. From household clutter to large-scale construction debris, we take care of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on completing your project smoothly and efficiently. We pride ourselves on offering prompt delivery and exceptional service. With just one phone call, we'll ensure the right dumpster is delivered directly to your location when needed, providing a hassle-free process every time. Our friendly and professional team ensures a seamless experience from start to finish. Whether it's the timely drop-off, easy access, or efficient pickup, we've got you covered every step. No project is too big or too small for Anna's Dumpster Rental. Whether you're handling a minor clean-out, organizing a community event, or working on a large construction job, we provide the right dumpster to suit your specific needs. Ready to get started? Let Anna's Dumpster Rental help keep your project clean, organized, and stress-free with our trusted dumpster rental in Beavercreek, Ohio. Call us today at 937-704-3069.